This is the X11 full Android smartwatch. It's a beauty. It's really nicely designed case. It has two cameras that are exactly where they should be, a forward-facing one and one that looks straight out over your arm. You've got a couple of buttons on the side. When you swipe down, all your different controls are here, system settings, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, you name it, it's all in here. When you swipe to the right, nothing happens, but when you go to the left, you pull open a panel that shows you your step count, calories burned, and distance traveled for the day. Another one will bring you into heart rate, and it gives you readings throughout the day as you take them discreetly. As soon as you land here, it begins measuring in the back. One more, and you'll get your blood oxygen levels. Again, it'll start measuring right away using the red diode technology. And that's all you have here. Back at the watch face now, when you swipe up, you get messages sent from your phone if you have any. Now, when you press the button on the side, this is where you could change the dials if you want to, switch your overall styles of display for your apps. You can get into WeChat if you support that and want to work with it. This is your phone dialing area. That brings up the dial pad so you can make phone calls, your contacts. The camera now, when you tap into that one, you get an immediate picture out in front of you. You see that? I'm over here. And you can do a video by tapping that button or just simply touch the screen to take a picture. You swipe this way and you can get into your photo albums. You swipe again and you can flip the camera over. There I am. And you can take a front-facing picture if you want to. Or video. Yep, it's all there. That's in the camera app. Album shows you what you've done. You got step counting again, messaging. The overall setup is similar to the settings, but this is where you have control over your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can personalize this with different themes and wallpapers and such. You've got the screen display brightness, screen time, and display size that you can change on it. And overall sounds, languages, restore, settings, your IMEI number, and even more settings where you back down into wireless networking, date and time, and so forth. A lot of really detailed information you can do there. You've got a basic calculator that comes with this watch and a calendar, which is not the Google Calendar per se, just a simple one that's here. But of course, you can download any Android apps from the Google Play Store. They support something called video chat, and when you've got it set up, supposedly you can make a video call. That may be restricted to China. I'm not sure on that one. An applications market, which you can turn that on in Chinese. Probably want to avoid working on that one. Basic tools like a voice recorder and alarm clocks, stopwatch in here, all part of it. Then you got your heart rate, video playback, QR codes, more applications. When you tap into here, you get the Google Play Store, Chrome, Maps, and any of the other ones that you've installed, third-party ones that you want to put in either side-loading or through the Google Play Store. Your file manager's there and overall themes. And then again, we can get into individual ones that you install yourselves. These that you're about to see do not come with it, but they're ones that I've put in to test things out and to play with. And so far, they're all working great. This is the X11. It's, like I say, a full Android smartwatch. It comes with a few different watch faces. We can go over to a digital one, for example. And it is available right now. You've got ability to add a few more different faces here and different themes. But all in all, it's a 1.85-inch diameter, really nice device. Comes with 2 gig, 32 gig, or 4 gig, 64 gig configuration. And again, the cameras are right where they should be on this full Android 8.1 smartwatch. The X11, check it out.